What is up, everyone? I decided to play hooky from work today and decided to just go fishing. So we're heading to the local dam and gonna throw the kayak in the water and see if we can come up with something. Should be a nice day. There's no clouds in the sky. A little cooler, 45 degrees, but it should be a good day nonetheless. So stay tuned and yeah, let's get on the water. All right, we made it on the water. They just redid this boat ramp and yeah, it's not too shabby. Even though they jacked the price up $3 more to launch, especially for a kayak. It's $8 to launch it now, but small price to pay to have a new boat ramp and a easier load in and load out. So we're gonna shoot across the water here and make our way over to the dam and get anchored up and start on fishing. All right, I got my Tuffy on an 1/8 ounce jig head, set about 4 feet down, and give her a cast. I think I got something on this bottom rod. Yep. Oh, I think I got it still. Yep. What do we have here? What do we have? Feels like a walleye. Yep. We got our first official fish. Good old walleye. Sitting at the bottom. There we go. Yeah, little guy. Bleeding a little bit, but I think he'll be all right. Oop, dropped my minnow. Well, I made it to the second spot. Little bridge here, and it's a little shallower, but I don't know. I've had some luck here in the past, so hopefully there's some fish to be had over here. The dam, for some reason, there just wasn't too much going on, so made the trek across the lake, and I kind of just see what we got underneath here. If anything. There should be something underneath this bridge. Just a matter of figuring out what part they're under. Oh, there we go. Doesn't feel too bad. Whatever it is. Got a little bit of weight. What do we have? Smallie? No, it's a nice walleye. That's not a bad one. There we go. All right, there's some fish under here. Anywhere else, this would be a good keeper. Oh, yeah, that's probably close to 18. Oh yeah, not a bad walleye. Woo! All right, there are some fish underneath the bridge here. That's good. My minnow alive? No, he did. I don't have luck on dead minnows. They always got to be alive. So that's why I always bring enough to swap them out as soon as they die. Or I catch a fish. All right, let's try to get it back underneath. It was right underneath this pylon. Second from the left. Cast it there and just let it drift on in. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I got it wrapped up. Oh my gosh. Oh, he popped off. That was a good fish. That was a good fish. Ah, something happened with my reel in it. Ah. Oh man, that's depressing. Okay, well. Getting him out of this time. Come on. There we go. What do we have? Oh, walleye. Not the one that we caught earlier. But still a nice sized one. Come on. Stop biting the damn hook. All right, tried there for a little bit more, not too much more action. The wind's picking up on this lake, so I'm gonna scoot back to the boat ramp before it gets too bad and I start floating out this kayak. We may try to hit one more spot, but if we do and we get some success, I'll let you know. If not, appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe if you're not. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know what you'd like to see. If you want me to target for something else or different species, particular species, let me know in the comments, and yeah, we'll make it happen. So, till next time.